Did you know that it is actually easier to get qualified for a home than a credit card? People really need to get serious about real estate investing now because we are about to go into one of the greatest wealth transfers in most of our lifetime. Here's what I mean. We have an opportunity to own a piece of history, which is real estate, because that is the one thing that inevitably everybody has to participate in. See, where you live, that's real estate. Where you work, that's real estate. Your place of worship, that's real estate. Schools, the banks, every single thing that we have to participate in, any form of our lives, whether it's dining out, whether it's going to the lounge, whether it's a chapel for someone who wants to get married, all of that is real estate. Why would you not want to participate in the one thing that everybody has to do, and everyone who owns real estate participates in the transferring of that wealth? The thing that I'm always stressing to people, or when people come to me and say, oh, well, I don't want to own real estate because it's risky. No, going through life not knowing that you have some form of stability financially is risky. That should be the risky part. Then I often ask people, why is it that you're not owning real estate? And they say, well, it's difficult. And I said, the only thing that people make difficult about real estate is that there's a lot of numbers attached. Did you know that it is actually easier to get qualified for a home than a credit card? People think you need tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars to be able to get into real estate. And that is not true. It's just that people don't have the information or the know-how in knowing how to get into real estate investment deals, whether it's traditionally or creatively. And there's not only tons of programs, but there's a plethora of information, at least that I supply to individuals, and showing them how to do both. And so I think that a lot of people just don't have enough information on why real estate investing is important or how to get in real estate investing.